was once a beautiful story. It happened so long ago that it must be quickly told before everyone forgets it. It took place in China during the reign of a very powerful emperor. Emperor Ping Chu, for such was his name, was a very old and very wise man, respected by all.
What is this? I learned from a book coming from the other side of the world that there is a bird in my empire that I do not know, a bird whose singing exceeds in beauty my garden and my palace. I demand that this nightingale be brought to me tonight, and that he sing for me after dinner. So be it, or I will give the order to trample the stomach of the courtiers, including you.
Yes, Master, it will be done according to your graceful desire, Master.
And once out of the room, the chamberlain found a girl who could help him. The girl led him to the forest with all the courtiers, who feared also that their stomach would be trampled. Suddenly, a boar growled.
I say, do you hear that bird? How loud it is for such a small animal. This is incredible.
But no, it is the grunt of a boar. And if you do not walk faster, he might just attack you.
A little later, as they walked along the marshes, frogs, disturbed by the noise, began to croak.
There he is! It's the nightingale! The little grey bird on the branch, that's him! Hello, dear nightingale. Will you sing for us, please?
Yes, with great pleasure, said the bird. And his voice rose pure and sweet as a crystal pearl, going straight to the heart of the courtiers, who became silent with admiration. When he had finished, Chamberlain Chang spoke. He was very serious.
My dear nightingale, the Emperor does you the great honor to invite you to the palace tonight. He wants to hear you sing.
But, I'm not used to being cooped up in a palace as big as this. I prefer to sing in the middle of the forest. I feel more free.
However, as the Chamberlain insisted, the bird accepted the invitation in order to please the Emperor. In the evening, the whole court had gathered in the most beautiful hall of the palace. The Emperor sat on his throne, and the nightingale came to settle next to him on a golden perch. The Emperor silenced the murmur of the crowd with a severe look, and bowed his head graciously towards the bird, and motioned him to sing. And the bird sang. He sang for several minutes, during which the Emperor felt a mysterious joy. The voice of the bird opened his heart and warmed it, recalling the dreams he had forgotten and the people he had loved. When the bird sang, it seemed to the old emperor that the world was at peace.